The names of one person killed and 7 injured have been released following a Campfire explosion some 20 miles north of Hibbing, Minnesota on Friday evening. This happened when a flammable liquid, according to the St. Louis County Sheriff's Department, was dumped on a campfire. Killed in the accident was 53-year-old Marvin Thiessen of Hibbing. A child was airlifted to Minneapolis, identified as 14-year-old female from Saginaw, Minnesota. The other identified victims sustaining injuries are 50-year-old Roxanne Thiessen of Hibbing, Minnesota, 49-year-old Honey Thiessen of Kelliher, Minnesota, 54-year-old Melissa of Kelliher, Minnesota, 58-year-old Jeanette Peasley of Black Duck, Minnesota, 28-year-old Hannah Larson of International Falls, Minnesota, and 59-year-old Raymond Poxleter of Kelliher, Minnesota. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.